Hi everyone, today I am talking about the gold that is trading at 3356, and tomorrow the two US data, monthly data are releasing. That is one is the US non-farm employment change, and another one is unemployment rate. And you can watch here that I draw two parallel lines that is first one is that and the second one is that, and the market is trading between these two parallel lines. And tomorrow the market tomorrow the market dip point will be a 33.18. And you can take a decision of this gold buying at this position. And another one is that this market will also depend upon these two monthly data, that is US non-farm employment change. And last month it was released at 177k, and now the forecast is 127 26k. If data release between these two figures, then the market will remain in range bound, and the market will hold these two parallel lines. If if you see the market at the dip point, then you can take a buying decision of this gold at lower parallel line. And if the data release less than 126k, then the market will get a spikes, and market will break the upper parallel line, and market will move upside. And the another data, that is US unemployment rate, and that last month was released at 4.2%, and unemployment rate was, and now the forecast is 4.2%. If this figure will release more than these two datas, then these previous and forecast, then this will be the negative for the US dollar, and market of the gold will move upside. So keep and watch these two data that are releasing tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern time. So you can take a decision, and the market will move up. If the data release a positive, then the lower trend line will break, and market will drop more heavily. And if these two data release negative, then the market of the gold will move upside, and it will break the upper trend line, and market will move higher and higher, and it can touch easily 3600. So keep on watching these two US datas, and market is holding these two parallel lines. And so if the datas are not positive or negative, it is range bound data, then the market will also hold these two parallel lines. So you can take a decision of this gold buying at lower parallel line, and you can take a decision of the gold selling at the upper parallel line. So you can take a huge profit in this gold. And I think so. Market today can move upside. It is trading at 33.56, and before the data it can move upside, because the forecast is 127.26k. It is lower than the previous, so the forecast is negative. So market before the data can move upside. So but the market can take a huge move on these two data that are releasing tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern time. So I also draw the different technicals, and all technicals are indicating that technicals indicating that the market will move upside, and all the technical are supporting the gold toward the upside. And I think so these two data, that is non-farm employment change and unemployment rate, will also release the negative. So it will be the negative for the US dollar, and it will support the gold prices, and market can move upside. So I am totally recommending everyone that market can move upside. So I am in the buying of the gold, and it will also depend upon these two datas, where take a decision according to these datas when datas are released. So market can move huge on these data. For more trades about crypto stocks, commodities, and commodities and stocks, you can you watch my videos and take a decision according to my recommendation. Thanks for watching.